In this video, we're gonna help over 100 different stray dogs find a loving home.
Something all of these dogs have in common is that they were abandoned or rescued from kill shelters. Some of them would have even been dead by the time this video was uploaded. Which is why I brought all of them here to this massive dog sanctuary to get every one of them adopted.
And to show you how serious we're taking this video,
We have an army of trainers, walkers,
and even an entire team dedicated to giving the dogs scratches. Make sure they get lots of love. I want the doggos happy.
and the doggos were happy, especially once the first adopter showed up.
Welcome, come on in.
What?
You're gonna adopt a dog even though you already have one?
Yes, we want a small dog to be friends with this guy.
And if you're wondering where these two random people came from, we spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on a statewide ad campaign to get as many people here as possible.
What do you think of Biscuit?
Oh, she's cute.